You eating? What are you eating? You're eating brown rice and chicken with applesauce. And look at your mess that you made. Feeding yourself. Such a big girl. Want to say something? Say hi. Ah? No. No. What are you doing? What are you doing, messy face? No. Alright, fine. Make a mess. Good job.